So at this point, we will get started, okay? So good morning, everybody. Good morning, Hoover scholars, staff, and parents. So buenos días, alumnos, padres, y maestros. Gracias por venir. So Mark, at this point, can you lead us in the flag salute? Go ahead and unmute yourself, Mark.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, Mark, nice and loud. Okay, vamos a parar por la bandera. Nice and loud, Mark.
Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance
allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Mark. All right. So boys and girls, this is definitely a first and hopefully our last promotion, our virtual promotion. It has been a challenging time for all of us, but just know that since the moment you guys left campus, we have been thinking about you and wish that you guys are doing well. Definitiva, esta es la primera vez, la primera promoción virtual y ojalá que sea la última. Yo sé que este tiempo es muy difícil para todos, pero desde el momento que se fueron los niños en marzo, hemos pensado de ellos todos los días y esperamos que todos estén bien. Okay, guys? So, again, the last week of March is typically, you know, where we have the fun stuff. You know, it's a big milestone for all of you guys going to middle school. I think your parents are probably more nervous than you guys, but even though, you know, this would be there. So, la última semana de mayo es normalmente cuando estamos celebrando todo con los niños de quinto grado, cuando se están yendo a la escuela intermedia. Pero yo sé que algunos padres están más nerviosos que los niños, pero esperamos que todos estén bien, que van a lograr en la high school. Now, guys, even though we didn't get to do our fun stuff they normally did, this is normally when we have our barbecue. This is where you guys have your kickball or soccer game with the staff. And then, of course, our Knott's Berry Farm. But you know what? In the end, guys, we're going to come out of this stronger and more resilient. Este normalmente es el tiempo que estamos, you know, tenemos la barbacoa, tenemos el juego con los niños contra los maestros de soccer, fútbol, y obviamente extrañamos el paseo a Knott's Berry Farm. Pero sabemos que todos vamos a lograr y vamos a salir de esta situación más fuerte y más fortalizados. We do know that, guys. Now, on March 13th, when we announced that schools were closing, at that time, we were thinking we were going to be back after spring break. And never did we imagine that schools would remain closed for the entire year. El 13 de marzo, cuando anunciaron que íbamos a cerrar las escuelas, unos esperábamos que íbamos a poder regresar fines de primavera, las vacaciones de primavera, y nunca íbamos a imaginar que iban a cerrar las escuelas por todo el año. So just keep that in mind, guys. Everything you've learned at Hoover, to be respectful, responsible, cooperative, and safe. And you are all true bucket fillers and true scholars. Los niños han aprendido mucho aquí en los niños y siempre le estamos diciendo que sean respetuosos, responsables, cooperativos y seguros. Y sabemos que van a lograr. All of you guys have demonstrated just a kind heart, compassion, a lot of those traits that we kind of tried to instill in you guys. Los niños todos de aquí muy amables, muy cariñosos y demostraron un carácter muy, muy lindo en todo el año. So, guys, I mean, since the day you guys left, I miss you guys dearly every day. I try to jump onto your Zooms when I can to see you guys and see how you guys are doing okay, and I do wish you guys the best in middle school. Desde el tiempo que se cerraron las escuelas, yo personalmente he extrañado a todos los alumnos y me meto a las clases de Zoom de los maestros para, you know, mirarle las caritas y a ver cómo están. Pero espero que sí van a lograr en la escuela primaria, intermedia. Because remember, guys, once you're a Hoover Hornet, you are always a Hoover Hornet. Okay? So, best wishes to the class of 2020. Okay, so at this point, we would like to have our teachers say a few words. En este tiempo, las maestras van a decir algunas palabras para los alumnos. So we'll start off with Ms. Ward. If you can unmute yourself, Ms. Ward. Nice and loud.
Well, good morning, everybody. It's so good to see everybody this morning. And it's a sad time that we're not able to be all together, but it's an exciting time to be able to be kind of a first step in your next part of your education journey. This is just a stepping stone. Middle school will be another stepping stone, then on to high school, then on to college or trade school. And this is just the beginning, you guys. Sometimes, one thing I'm so proud of you all for is a word called resiliency. And that's the ability to keep going, even though things might not happen the way you want them to happen. This isn't how we planned on our 5th grade year ending. When we started off, excited to be the end of our elementary school time together, we didn't think that we would be having a virtual promotion. We thought we'd be doing it in our quad like we've done all the other assemblies. But sometimes life changes and you have to go with it. I'm so proud of everyone that's continued on with their education, continued reading, continued logging on every day to our Zoom meetings and our Google Classroom meetups. I am proud of the work you've kept doing, and I know you'll continue to do amazing things. I love you guys, every one of you, and I miss you dearly, and just keep up the amazing work. Go Hoover Hornets!
Thank you, Ms. Ward. Ms. Hernandez?
Hi, 5th graders, or should I say 6th graders? First off, you guys, I am so proud of you guys. To say this year has been a challenge would kind of be an understatement. Hi. I really am saddened that our year did get cut short. We had so many good memories. And unfortunately, we didn't get to create more real life ones. Those of you that logged on to Zooms, we did create memories on our Zoom classes every day. I'll never forget looking at your cute little faces from my kitchen every day, and that's just something that's going to be embedded in my head forever and ever and ever. Luckily, you guys have your whole lives ahead of you, though, so you're going to create so many memories throughout your life, and then this will be something that you'll probably never forget, just like me. But I can't wait till it's safe and legal again so I can see you guys and give you all a big hug and just congratulate you the way I want to. But I wish you guys all the luck, and I'm so proud of you, and I miss you guys so much.
Thank you, Ms. Hernandez. Mrs. Queda? You're muted. There you go.
Hi, 5th graders. I just want to say that I'm very proud of all of you, my students that were with me for 3 years. I watched everybody grow, become independent, and you guys worked so hard and became just on it. When you guys had to go into Google Classroom and figure it out, we learned all together. And words can't express how proud I am of all of you. You guys became very independent at home. Parents, thank you for everything. And you guys I'm going to miss you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Queda. So, again, students, that was a message to you guys from your teachers. Lo que acaban de decir los maestros básicamente es un mensaje para cada de sus alumnos, pero todos los 3 dijeron que nunca, queríamos tener la promoción aquí en la escuela, pero la situación no nos permitió. But we know you were going to come out of this stronger, and you guys are going to be just amazing. And I cannot wait to hear all the wonderful things you guys are accomplished. Y yo sé que van a lograr todos los alumnos, y no puedo, me da mucho orgullo de esperar a escuchar todas las cosas maravillosas que van a hacer los niños en la escuela. At this point, we have 2 student speeches that we will have. So we have a student from Ms. Hernandez's class and one from Mrs. Ward's class. So,
and Juan, Mr. Gutierrez.
¿Mande?
And Juan.
And Juan. So tenemos 3 alumnos. So boys and girls, we're going to go ahead and everybody mute. So tenemos 3 alumnos que van a decir, uno de cada salón, que van a decir algunas palabras para sus compañeros. So we'll go ahead and Oscar, Juan, and Dania, make sure you get up really close and speak nice and loud so everybody can hear you, okay? So we will start with Dania. Vamos a empezar con alumna Dania de la clase de la señora Ward. Dania, all yours.
Good morning, Hoover students, teachers, and parents. My name is Dania Villalobos. This year didn't go as expected, and we all thought we were going to end this year normally, but things happen, and this pandemic is one of those things. let's not let the sadness get the best of us. If you think on the positive side, this will be a promotion like never before. I've been at Hoover since I was in kindergarten, and I have a lot of memories. I have memories like when we went to the Discovery Cube and there was an air tube and our hair went everywhere. Another memory I have is meeting one of my best friends, Jennifer, at the bus stop in kindergarten. One of my classmates also used to come sell cheddar, scissors, and Skittles. I also remember that in second grade, I volunteered to read in front of my whole class. But I think we can all agree that the biggest memories we will ever have is this pandemic and quarantine. It's crazy how some of us are never gonna see each other again. I'm so grateful for my parents bringing me to the school and supporting me throughout all these years. Thank you to my Gutierrez for always supporting me and always finding the best opportunities for me.
Thank you, Danya.
I'm so grateful and thankful for my teachers teaching me what I need for the future to be successful. And I'm so grateful for my best friends for helping me through elementary school. I hope I get to see you all again. And remember to be respectful, responsible, cooperative, and safe. Once a hornet, always a hornet. Thank you.
Thank you, Danya. Let's give her a round of applause. Good job, Danya. All right, this is Oscar. Go ahead and unmute yourself and speak nice and loud. Ahora tenemos Oscar de la clase de Miss Ward.
Dear teachers and students, these past 6 years at Hoover Elementary have been marvelous. I have had some great memories in this school, especially in third grade when I found my love for music. I had some great memories in music class, especially when I performed with my classmates. Another great memory that I made is when I was in fourth grade, when I built my mission with my class. It was a very fun project, and I enjoyed looking around at all my classmates' hard work. Some memories that I have made this year have been the best of my life. This year, I learned many things. For example, I learned how to multiply decimals. One of my top memories this year was when I got to be part of Miss Ward's classroom. I want to say something to my classmates in fifth grade. Congratulations for all your effort and hard work. Never give up what you want to do. Thank you, teachers and principals, for helping me accomplish my goals.
We can't hear you, Oscar. Are you done? All right. Are you all done, Oscar? We can't hear you, mijo. Sorry, the technology.
Yep.
Technology doesn't always help us. A veces la tecnología no nos ayuda. But thank you guys, Oscar. Good job, Oscar. Good job. Okay, now we have Juan. Juan de la clase de Mrs. Queda.
Yes.
Yourself, Juan?
My internet is not that good. I'm going to try to do it.
Okay. Do the best you
I'm Juan Ortiz. Hello, everyone. I just wanted to say thank you to my teacher who just teach me so much. I appreciate it, Mrs. Guerra. And plus Miss Rosales and Miss Barella. And my classmates, I was with them together and they were my friends. I'll miss them and these difficult times. Let's all get ahead and be good and behave well. Everyone, study hard and that your dreams can come true, that you want to be when you grow up. And I hope you have a very good day and I hope you'll be happy.
Guys, let's give our 3 students a round of applause. Good job. Un aplauso para los tres. Muy bueno. Okay, guys, at this point, we're gonna show you when Miss Barriga put together a nice video for you guys. And then at the very end, is your pictures will come out individually. And that's basically how we're announcing them. I'm not gonna announce them because there's music. So enjoy the video and then I'll show it at the end and then we'll have some closing remarks. A este punto, padres, vamos a enseñar un video que la señora Barriga puso de fotos durante el año de actividades. Luego al final van a hacer las fotos de cada alumno y básicamente así vamos a anunciar a los alumnos. No lo vamos a hacer por voz, vamos a hacer por cada foto que van a mirar. So guys, at this point, when you see your pictures or you see your pictures coming up, you can unmute yourself and make as much noise as you want, okay? Las fotos se van a pasar y le estamos diciendo si gustan ya cuando preparar, cuando están en orden alfabeto, they are in alphabetical order by teacher, so you should kind of know where you're coming next. Las fotos están en orden de alfabeto, por maestra. So si cuando tantean que van a venir su hijo, pueden quitar el micrófono y pueden porras los gritos que quieren echar, okay? So at this point, guys, let me go ahead and show you. Let me share the screen. And I will show you. I have it right here ready to go. Barriga standing here right next to me just in case.
No, the thing is, dude, it's all squished.
Oh my God.
Wow. What do you guys think? Go ahead and unmute, guys. Go ahead and unmute yourselves. Thank you to Ms. Barriga for putting that together. Muchas gracias a la señora Barriga por poner este video junto. Now, guys, you're probably thinking, hey, I don't remember taking that panoramic picture. You know, los niños hacen de pensar, no me acuerdo tomar esa foto donde están todos. But boys and girls, what they did, it was digitally made. So this is going to be that when you guys are older, you'll look back and you think of your 5th grade year and you're like, wow, I remember that year. We didn't have school and our digitally made. Los alumnos a lo mejor están pensando, ay, ¿cuándo tomamos esa foto del grupo? Obviamente no tuvimos ese, pero cada quien en la compañía pues, los acomodó en la computadora. Y yo digo, cuando miramos a esta foto en el futuro, cuando seamos adultos, podemos recordar del año de este año, como qué año difícil tuvimos y cómo logramos. So, boys and girls, at this point, I'm so proud of you guys. I didn't think I was going to get emotional, but I really miss all of you guys dearly, and I wish you guys the best at whatever you do. And please do not forget, you are always welcome to come back. You are always a Hoover Hornet. Esperamos que todos los alumnos van a lograr y les doy todos los deseos, todos los extraño mucho, los quiero a todos. Espero que todos estén bien y saludables. And guys, again, it's only your first step. You have middle school, high school, and then college. And I really cannot wait to hear when you guys are in the future of all the accomplishments that you will make. Puede esperar en el futuro de escuchar o leer o mirar en la televisión todos los logros que van a hacer nuestros alumnos. So guys, on behalf of Hoover and our entire staff, I wish you guys the best. Okay? This does conclude our promotion. Padres, esto sí concluye nuestra promoción, pero quiero hacer algunos anuncios. I do want to make some announcements. Tomorrow, between 8 and 12, you can stop by the front of the school by the curb, and then you can pick up your certificate. And we're giving every one of you guys one of those big panoramic pictures. Okay? So you guys can come tomorrow between 8 and 12 in front of the school. So mañana, entre las 8 y 12, pueden venir los alumnos ahí enfrente de la escuela a recoger su certificado y le estamos dando a cada alumno una de esas fotos grandes del grupo. Pueden venir mañana de 8 a 12. Tomorrow. Guys, mute. At this point, guys, school is going to start in August. I don't know what it's going to look like. It will be a combination of virtual and at home, but we don't know how that's going to look. So we'll definitely communicate that as much as we can. Padres, a este punto, el punto sí estamos de regresar en agosto. ¿Cómo se va a mirar la escuela? Eso todavía no sabemos. Sí nos han dicho que va a ser una combinación de los dos. Ciertos días en la escuela y ciertos días en la casa, pues, pero todavía no saben el plan. Pero cuando sabemos el plan, nos comunicamos con ustedes en cualquier manera.
No ponía nada.
Check your websites, check your... Okay. Yo les digo, fíjense en los sitios de nosotros y del distrito para anuncios sobre cómo va a ser la situación cuando entramos. Okay, guys, so again, guys, congratulations, everybody, and everybody unmute yourselves, and we're going to make some noise. At the count of 3, just cheer. Everybody, you, who is ever at your house, or everybody. So at the count of 3, guys, let's do a big cheer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, we recorded this, so it's going to be on our website by the end of this afternoon. Y grabamos todo esto ahorita, so para el fin del día vamos a ponerlo en el video. All right, guys, good luck to you guys. We'll see you guys. Bye, everybody.